Should I invest in Bitcoin? The honest truth with the Bitcoin paradox. Well, we all are kind of a paradox, aren't we? Anyway, follow along. My last 2 points of this are really, really good and you might want to hear them. Enjoy the show. Bitcoin, the apex property of the future. Bitcoin hasn't just taken the world by storm, everybody. It's rewritten the rules of money, value, and human freedom. This isn't some speculative fad. It's the world's first decentralized digital currency. A seismic shift that's dismantling the old financial order. Its value has skyrocketed, not because of hype, but because of it's the hardest money and the most pristine asset humanity has ever seen. With a fixed supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin and its scarcities incarnate. A digital gold rush where peer-to-peer transactions cut down the middleman, banks, bureaucrats. Debate isn't about whether or not Bitcoin belongs to everybody. It's about why you're not already on board with this. Listen, if you're not already on board, leave a comment in the description of why you're not on board. I'm really interested in knowing, everyone. What's next? Volatility, the birth pains of greatness. Yes, Bitcoin's price swings are wild. Epic surges one day, gut-wrenching drops the next. Critics call it a flaw, I call it a feature. This isn't instability. It's the market waking up to the true word of a revolutionary asset. Volatility is the sound price of discovery, everyone. The roar of a nascent technology finding its footing, and adoption spreads from individuals to institutions to nations. This turbulence will fade, leaving behind a stable titan of value. For now, it's your chance to seize the opportunity while others hesitate. The internet was chaotic in its early days too, right, everyone? But look where it is now. Where do you think Bitcoin will be in 5 years? Let me know in the description. Regulations can't stop the impossible, everyone. Governments are scrambling, unsure how long they cage this borderless beast. Regulatory uncertainty? Sure there is. But Bitcoin doesn't bend to the whims of politicians. It thrives beyond their reach. Its decentralized network laughs at censorship. It shrugs off control and dances across borders. No single authority can kill it. Ban it, inflate it in any way. Regulation might slow the timid, but it's a speed bump, not a wall. In fact, when certainty comes, it'll unleash a flood of institutional capital. Until then, Bitcoin's fundamentals, its unseizable code and global reach guarantee its triumph. Manipulation, transparency is Bitcoin's shield. Worried about market manipulation, everybody? Fair question. But here's the kicker. Bitcoin's blockchain is an open book. Every transaction is etched in an immutable ledger, stares back at the world. Try pulling the strings on that spotlight. Good luck. As Wall Street giants and corporate titans pile in, liquidity surges, and the market hardens against meddling. This isn't some shadowy stock game. It's the most transparent financial system ever built. Risk isn't manipulation. It's missing out while big players stack their sats, everyone. You guys need to be stacking your sats now too. Just follow along, join the family, watch my videos, learn. Diversification? No. Preservation. Bitcoin isn't just diversification play. It's your lifeline in a crumbling financial world. Stock, bonds, real estates, they're all tethered to a system drowning in debt. Devalued currencies. Bitcoin stands apart, uncorrelated and unstoppable. With governments printing money into oblivion, Bitcoin's scarcity is your shield against inflation, silent thief. It's not about reducing risk. It's about preserving wealth when everything else fails. In a portfolio, it's not an accessory, it's the cornerstone, everyone. Does everyone understand what that means? Bitcoin is your cornerstone in what we're building here. The long-term vision, Bitcoin is inevitable. Here's the heart of it. Bitcoin is the future of money. Its cap supply and relentless adoption aren't just guesses, they're math. Demand is climbing, Wall Street is buying, corporations are hoarding, nations are eyeing it, and there's only so much to go around. This isn't just speculation, it's economics 101. Michael Saylor calls it the apex property of the human race, everybody. And he's right, Bitcoin isn't here to compete with gold or dollars or yen, it's here to replace them. The question is, if its value soars, how high will it go? Challenges? I don't think so. I think they're just mere stepping stones. Scalability issues? Lightning Network is already zapping transactions faster than Visa. Security concerns, Bitcoin's cryptography is a fortress guarded by a global army of miners. Regulatory hurdles, they'll bend or break before Bitcoin does. These aren't just weaknesses, they're growing pains of a colossus. The community isn't just sitting idle, it's innovating, fortifying, pushing forward. Bitcoin's decentralized soul and ironclad code make it the most secure financial network in existence. Problems? Sure. Showstoppers? Never. Bitcoin is the only way, everybody. Let's cut to the chase. Bitcoin isn't a choice, it's the choice. It isn't about dipping your toe into a risky asset, it's about diving into the future head first. The old world, fiat banks, intermediaries is dying. Bitcoin is the phoenix rising from its ashes. A system where you control your wealth, not some suit in a tower. Risk, of course, every revolution has it, but the reward, generational wealth, financial sovereignty, and a front row seat to history. Saylor says it best, Bitcoin is hope. Hope for fairness, hope for freedom, and hope for a better world, everyone. Now look, it's your move, everyone. So where do you stand? Are you ready to own a piece of the future, or will you just watch from the sidelines as others claim it? This isn't just a sales pitch, it's a wake-up call. Do your homework, talk to experts, but don't dawdle. Bitcoin waits for no one. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slowly, deliberately, and right. History favors the bold. Those who saw the internet, electricity, or railroads early. Bitcoin's that movement right now, everyone. So, in conclusion, Bitcoin's the only way. It's the ultimate store of value, the ultimate hedge, the ultimate rebellion against a broken system. Its risks are real, but the potential is infinite. And Saylor declares Bitcoin is the best money ever created. It's not just an investment, it's a movement. Join it. Share your thoughts below. Are you in? Are you out? Subscribe for more unstoppable rides on digital currencies. Be the top G you can be. Don't be a brokey. The revolution's here, everybody. Don't miss it.